I would like to just urge the public, you get calls from strangers, just don't believe them at face value. Immediately block those numbers, send those numbers to the nearest police station so they can deactivate those numbers. Very important is to call up 1930. This is the I4C helpline, 1930. Call this phone, give in your details. If you have actually compromised with any of your GPay or your account credentials and all that, immediately inform 1930, because 1930 will actually hold a lien on those different types of accounts and wallets and all that, because it goes from one account to another account, and most of these accounts are mule accounts used by fraudsters, by getting these accounts from people who don't know, so they're called mule accounts. So it's very important that people actually immediately don't succumb to that, because these are all fraud things, and a lot of people actually have succumbed and just being gullible, believing at the first instance. So I want to tell people, especially people in the villages and all that, don't fall prey to it. Immediately you have this number, block it, or you inform us to deactivate this number.